Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're working through how to find your transaction history from Bank of America in 2025. Whether you're checking for a recent charge, keeping a track for spending, or downloading records for your taxes, it's alright at your fingertips. Starting by logging into your Bank of America account either through the mobile app or the official website. Once you're in, head to your account section and select the account you want to review. Checking, savings, credit card, whichever ones you're interested in. From there, scroll down and you will see a full list of recent transactions. You can use the search or filter option to narrow things down by date, amount, merchant, or type. Super handy if you're hunting for something specific. Want more detailed view? Tap on Statements and Documents to download monthly statements as PDFs. You can usually go back to up to 18 months and even longer if you signed up for paperless billing in the past. And if you're using a Bank of America mobile app, you can also tap on a transaction to get extra details like merchant location, contact info, and category. Some even lets you add notes or tags to help with budgeting. So whether you're reviewing last dinner or preparing your financial records, finding your transaction history on Bank of America is a quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If this made it easier to track your spending, don't forget to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more finance tech tips. Catch you in the next video.